Good morning, student. This is your SST teacher. So today we are going to learn the lesson of your economics book. So everybody take out your economics book. Lesson number 1, development. The idea of development or progress has always been with us. We have aspirations or desires about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. So first of all, let me explain the definition of development. Development is the process in which something grows or becomes more mature and advanced. यानी डेवलपमेंट मतलब जिसमें इंसान की उन्नति होती है, इंसान तरक्की करता है, उसे हम डेवलपमेंट कह सकते हैं. Similarly, we have ideas about what a country should be like. What are the essential things that we require? So, in development, concept of development is what we require. We develop something for according to our requirement. What are our requirement? We develop the things according to that. Can life be better for all? How should people live together? Can there be more equality? Development involves thinking about these questions and about the ways in which we can work towards achieving these goals. So, in development, we can see that the definition of development, we saw that the process in which something grows or becomes more mature and advanced. So, in development, everybody try to develop itself or themselves, and according to that they develop the things. This is a complex task, and in this chapter we shall make a beginning at understanding development. And it is not so easy task. The development is not the easy task. It is something difficult or complex task. And in this chapter we are going to learn about the development only. You will learn more about these issues in greater depth in higher classes, and in this chapter we will learn about the development only, but in higher classes you will learn the thoroughly about the development. You will learn more about these issues in greater depth in higher classes. Also, you will find answers to many of these questions in just in economics book, but also in your course in history and political science. And same thing about the development, you will learn about the development in this economics book, but along with this economics book you will learn about this in political and history books also. This is because the way we live today is influenced by the past, because whatever we are today is influenced by the past. What was our past, how we were in our past, it influenced our present life. We can't desire for change without being aware of this. In the same way, it is only through the democratic political process that these hopes and possibilities can be achieved in real life. Now, take out your page number 2. What development promises different people, different goals. You can say that the definition of development मे नॉट बी सेम फॉर द एवरीबडी, यानी डेवलपमेंट जो है हर किसी के लिए एक जैसी नहीं हो सकती. एक इंसान के लिए एक डेवलपमेंट यानी एक पर्टिकुलर चीज़ होगी, लेकिन वही चीज़ दूसरे इंसान के लिए डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो सकती. जैसे कोई अमीर इंसान है तो उसके लिए एक बड़ी सी कार खरीदना ये उसके लिए डेवलपमेंट होगी, उसके लिए तरक्की होगी, उसके लिए प्रोग्रेस होगी. लेकिन एक गरीब, अगर कोई गरीब इंसान है तो उसके लिए एक सिंपल सी साइकिल खरीदना या फिर एक छोटी सी गाड़ी खरीदना ये उसके लिए डेवलपमेंट होगी. यानी डेवलपमेंट की जो डेफिनेशन है, कंसेप्ट है, ये हर इंसान के लिए अलग अलग हो सकती है. So page number 2, let us try to imagine what happened or progress is likely to mean to different person. Listed table number 1.1. Here one list is given in table number 1.1, and we have to fill this table according to the people. You can see that here are the different types of people are listed, and according to that people, their development, their definition of development is different. What are these aspirations? You will find that some columns are partially filled. You will see that some columns are filled properly, but some are left blank. So what we have to do, children, students, you have to fill these blank columns. Try to complete the table. You can also add any other category of persons. Here students, here one table is given on page number 2. You can go through this table. You will see that some columns are filled but some columns are left blank, and what you have to do, you have to fill these blank tables, and according to your wish you can write the two extra persons in last two columns also. It is your homework, students, so you have to do it at home. Now next paragraph, having filled table 1.1, let us now examine it. Do all of these persons have the same notion of development or progress? Most likely not. If you will go through this table, you will see that the definition of progress is not the same for each and every person. अगर आप ये टेबल देखोगे तो आपकी समझ में आ जाएगा कि डेवलपमेंट जो है वो हर इंसान के लिए एक जैसी नहीं होती. डेवलपमेंट की जो डेफिनेशन है या डेवलपमेंट जो है ये पर्सन टू पर्सन चेंज होते जाती है. जैसे छोटे बच्चे अगर है तो उनके लिए डेवलपमेंट यानी साइकिल सीखना, ये समझ लो एग्जांपल आई एम गिविंग कि छोटे बच्चे हैं उनके लिए साइकिल सीखना ये एक डेवलपमेंट हो गई, ये एक डेवलपमेंट छोटे बच्चों के लिए हो गई. लेकिन अगर आप बड़े इंसान देखोगे, बड़े लोग देखोगे तो उनके लिए कार सीखना, प्लेन सीखना ये उनके लिए डेवलपमेंट हो गई, ये उनकी डेवलपमेंट की डेफिनेशन हो गई. यानी डेवलपमेंट जो है ये पर्सन टू पर्सन it varies from one person to another person. Each of them seeks different things. They seek things that are most important for them, and you will see that the person think about the things which are important for them. इंसान के लिए जो ज़रूरी चीज़ होती है वही उसकी डेवलपमेंट होती है, उसी के बारे में इंसान सोचता है कि ये चीज़ अगर मुझे मिल जाए तो मैं तरक्की कर लूँगा या मेरी डेवलपमेंट हो जाएगी. दैट विच कैन फुलफिल देयर एस्पिरेशंस और डिज़ायर. In fact, at times, two persons or group of persons may seek things which are conflicting. A girl expects as much freedom and opportunity as her brother. एक गर्ल है घर में जो उसके भाई को जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ या फ्रीडम उसे घर में मिल रहा है, उसके भाई को मिल रहा है, वो चाहती है कि उसे भी वैसे ही फ्रीडम मिले. एंड दैट ही ऑल्सो शेयर्स इन द household work, and she wished that he should help her in household work. Her brother may not like this, but her brother did not want it. Similarly, to get more electricity, industrialist may want more dams. If you will think about the dams, the industrialist may think there should be more and more dams near his factory or industry so that he will get the more electricity from that dams. But this may submerge in the land and disrupt the lives of people who are displaced such as tribals. लेकिन वही अगर आप देखोगे कि एक डैम बन रहा है और वो डैम जो है वहाँ अगर कोई छोटी मोटी इंडस्ट्रीज़ है, कोई कारखाने हैं, तो उन कारखाने के मालिक को लगेगा कि ऐसे और डैम बने ताकि उन्हें उनके फैक्ट्री के लिए इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई होती रहे. लेकिन वही अगर वहाँ आजू बाजू में डैम के आजू बाजू में रहने वाले जो गरीब लोग हैं या जो लोग वहाँ आजू बाजू में रह रहे हैं उनको लगेगा कि ऐसे डैम ना बने, क्योंकि अगर वहाँ डैम बने तो उन्हें क्या करना पड़ेगा, उन लोगों को कहीं डिस्प्लेस होना पड़ेगा. वो जो आजू बाजू में लोग रह रहे हैं उन्हें उस घर से, उस एरिया से उन्हें दूसरे घर शिफ्ट होना पड़ेगा, दूसरे जगह रहने जाना पड़ेगा. इसीलिए ये जो डैम की डेवलपमेंट है ये एक इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट के लिए